Hey everybody, welcome back to Huka House. Today we'll be taking a look at this modular tiny house that can be delivered to you fully assembled. This unique small house plan comes from John Murchie of MurchTech Consulting Corporation, who are building innovative tiny houses out of British Columbia. One of their tiny house models is the Eagle Micro Home, which has 350 square feet with a 50 square foot outdoor deck on the second level. The tiny homes cost around $48,000 and are made from steel instead of wood, so they're lighter and also cost less to build. Don't let the plain exterior fool you, as this tiny home is designed very well and has a great floor plan too. The dark woods help to provide a nice contrast to the white color scheme and warm up the tiny place. The living area is just off of the kitchen, and every tiny house model comes with a built-in bench with storage beneath it. The main entryway in the tiny house design has a built-in storage area for coats, and some more storage is found underneath the staircase as well. The bathroom in this tiny house has a large shower stall and a slim sink cabinet with a full-size toilet. Upstairs, you'll find a large bedroom that gives you tons of room for a bed and some built-in storage. On the other side of the tiny bedroom is a sitting area that leads out to the upstairs outdoor deck. It all makes for quite the impressive master suite for such a tiny space. These tiny houses are built at the MurchTech headquarters and then delivered on trucks, so there's little construction on the building site. Tiny house designs are becoming popular to more and more people for a variety of reasons. For some, tiny house living is all about simplifying their life, reducing expenses, and living without the burden of huge debt. For others, it's all about reducing their environmental footprint and living with a life with healthy, active habits. Most people who like small house living also love the idea of being able to design and move into a new tiny home design that's completely suited to their lifestyle and needs, rather than a home that has been built for wide mass appeal and resale value. There are plenty of reasons that tiny house living is so popular today. Living in a tiny house is a step that you can take to change your life. Tiny house living means that there is less space to fill and to clean, fewer bills, and the freedom to go anywhere, with your tiny home being anywhere that you want it to be. You can live in a tiny house on wheels yourself or rent it out for a secondary source of income. Sustainability is also important to most tiny house builders. A tiny house design means less building materials and less wasted electricity. A tiny house design can be used for full-time living as a vacation home, guest house, backyard office, artist studio, writer's retreat, teenager retreat, and so much more. The sky's the limit with a variety of uses you might consider for a tiny home. And if you like this video, please consider dropping a like, as it definitely helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring new homes every day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.